Hey folks, this week's Guess the Song is so easy, I reckon you're going to get it by the time I play the first 4 chords. But just to make sure and to add a bit more fun, like I did last week, I'm going to sing the first verse using lyrics not to the song, but hey, I just received this letter in the mail about my new driver's license. I'm going to use these words to this song, see if you can guess it, and as soon as you guess it, I'm going to show you how to play it. Driver's license will be sent to you shortly. You'll see the code S on the front, meaning your license is subject to the conditions above. If you drive before your card arrives, yeah, you should carry this letter with you. Please destroy your old driver's license. We suggest you do this by simply cutting your card in half. I mucked that one up. We suggest you do this by cutting your card in half with scissors. Alright, that was terrible. Anyway, you obviously know this song. You should have picked it by now. Easy by Lionel Richie. Or Easy by Lionel Richie and the Commodores. You take your pick. It's just such an epic song. Now, it's only got 4 chords for most of the song. Alright, for the verse, and the chorus, but it does have a bridge in it. Let's show you those right now. Right, a quick chord overview starting on the G. That's what the song's sung on, a G. I do a bar G chord, and of course my chords are upside down because I'm a left-hand player playing on a right-hand strung guitar, but I'll put the chord patterns on the screen there. You just got to get your fingers in the right place like I do. No big deal. Let's do it now. So it's a G to a B minor to an A minor to a D. That's the verse and the chorus. No, it sounds funny, but I just can't stand the pain. And then that's why I'm easy. G, B minor, A minor, easy like Sunday morning. So get the idea? So you can know most of the song just with those 4 chords, but we go into a bridge, and the bridge is an F major 7. I want to be high. Quick transition, G to D. G to D minor. So F major 7, high. So high, D minor. I want to be back to the F major 7. Free from all the things I do, alright. D minor. Want to be free. F major 7 to a D minor. And then the only little tricky bit to remember is a B flat, F, B flat, C. That's the whole song. Then we go into that little sort of break, instrumental break, where you can do a solo if you're good enough to do that, do it on a harmonica, whatever, do it on a piano. I just do it this way. D7, that's why I'm easy, and you just bring the song home. Ooh, easy like Sunday morning. Get the idea. So what was that little instrumental break, right? It's the same chords, G to the B minor, then I'm just sliding up to the 7th fret, back to the 5th fret to land the A minor bar shape, and then to a D on the 5th fret, or you can play it down here, open D. Let's do that again. So G, B minor, slide, A minor, D, B, G, bit of little picking here. D to a D7 trench. That's why I'm easy. Easy like Sunday morning. Of course, I do a full song playthrough, or partial song playthrough at the end of this video where I do it actually proper. So you can check that out. Hey folks, if this sort of music is your thing on guitar, then you'll definitely want to check out my new songbook. It features the best songs from all of my YouTube tutorials in the first year. All of them sound great around a campfire, so check out the link in the description below and you will have an instant song repertoire. Now everyone wants to know how to strum. This one's pretty easy, right? So if I just block the strings, it's just a E, down, down, up, down. And that last one is a block or a muted strum, down, down. That's the basic strum, and of course you throw a few more up strums once you get into the groove of it, so it's down, down, up, down. Now hey folks, did you know just because I sung a couple of songs and played a couple of lines of this song, YouTube is going to issue me a copyright strike, which means I'm going to get no ad revenue for this video forever. So if you like what you see here and you want to support what I do, check out the Patreon link below and maybe consider becoming a member of the Campfire Guitar Hero band. It sounds funny, but I just can't stand the pain. Girl, I'm leaving you tomorrow. Seems to me, girl, you know I've done all I can. Yeah, I beg, stole, and I borrow. Yeah. Like Sunday morning. Why I'm easy, yeah. Easy like Sunday morning. I wanna be high, so high. Be free from all the things I knew right. I wanna be free, so free. Easy like Sunday morning. Now if you think this song was easy to pick, I bet you're going to have a harder time with this video down here. Check it out now and I'll see you next week. Easy like Sunday.